As YouTubers, it's Gary. It is the special semi trucks. Which one of the company trucks do you like? This semi trucks have horn. I love semi trucks. They're awesome semis. Which one of semi trucks do you want? Do you want to make one? Does it this trailer is for double stacker container. The container one, so like we need it. And there is the truck, and it's like the GPS or UPS with the day cab. You want a sleeper, day cab. We all want a sleeper. Let me see what the way to semi trucks. Is that my trailer? Is that my truck? It is mine. Look at that. Nice trucks. You could look on the semi trucks. You can play a game called Roblox. And yeah, the comments, like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss it out. And next to the videos, we are talking about what type of the trailers do you need to like? Which one is the day cab? Day cab is number 2. It will do a quick respawn. Okay, so we have no need of that one. So that's good news. So you're just one of your favorite semi trucks. Let me know. So you don't have horn. You like this truck's Freightliner, Peterbilt, Volvo, and any trucks you like. And the comments, don't miss it out to the semi trucks. That's the tractor trailers right there. Please do like, subscribe, or ring the bell. Don't miss it. And then if we do miss it, and what happens, soon we're gonna need 50 subscribers. So yeah, thank you for a report to me, and like, subscribe, take a follower, and don't forget to miss it up and on a rainy day. And have a good night.